Module Overview. Introduction. Climate Smart Agriculture (CSA) and digital innovation are two interlocking forces, reshaping the agribusiness landscape in response to unprecedented global challenges. As climate change alters the reliability of rainfall patterns, pest behavior, and growing seasons, agricultural systems must evolve. Meanwhile, the fourth industrial revolution, marked by AI, big data, IoT, drones, satellite systems, and blockchain, is offering advanced tools for sustainable, efficient, and resilient agricultural production. This module offers a granular and forward-thinking exploration into climate-smart agricultural (CSA) strategies, their integration with digital technologies, and how these tools are transforming food production, supply chains, insurance, market access, productivity, and environmental impact in both developed and emerging economies. Learning outcomes of Module 7. After completing this module, you will be able to explain the principles and pillars of climate-smart agriculture, identify and evaluate digital technologies, transforming agribusiness, integrate CSA techniques with digital innovation and practical applications, interpret case studies demonstrating CSA digital synergy design sustainable digital solutions for climate-resilient agribusiness models. Understanding climate-smart agriculture (CSA). Climate-smart agriculture is a holistic framework developed by the FAO and adopted globally to address the nexus of climate change, food security, and agricultural sustainability. CSA's three pillars: increase agricultural productivity and incomes, enhance resilience and adaptation to climate change, reduce greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions where possible. CSA is not a single technology but a dynamic approach that adapts to local contexts and includes soil and water conservation, agroforestry, conservation agriculture, early warning systems, and climate-resilient crop varieties. The role of digital innovation in agriculture. Digital tools are the backbone of modern CSA. These innovations help collect data, predict weather patterns, monitor soil and crop conditions, optimize resource use, and connect farmers to markets and finance. Key digital tools: IoT, Internet of Things, sensors for soil moisture, humidity, pest detection, AI and machine learning, predictive analytics, disease diagnosis, drones and satellites, crop health monitoring, irrigation planning, land mapping, mobile applications, access to extension services, e-wallets, market prices, blockchain, transparent value chains and traceability, big data platforms, climate modeling, yield forecasting, remote sensing, agri-robotics, automated seeding, weeding, and harvesting. CSA technologies and techniques: climate-resilient crops, drought-tolerant maize, flood-resistant rice, heat-tolerant wheat, water-smart solutions, drip and sprinkler irrigation, solar-powered irrigation, water harvesting and storage systems, soil and land use, cover cropping, agroforestry, mulching, and composting, reduced tillage, livestock, CSA practices, breed selection for heat and disease resistance, improved grazing systems, methane capture and dairy systems, digital CSA synergy, transformational use cases. Case Study 1, Digital Green, India, a farmer-led video-based learning system delivering localized CSA practices via mobile devices, increased knowledge uptake by 50% and crop productivity by 25%. Case Study 2, Age Unity Blockchain, East Africa, a decentralized mobile app helping farmers track transactions, secure records, and get better prices, enhance trust and cooperatives governance. Case Study 3, Aware Global, combines weather data, agronomic modeling, and satellite imagery to offer climate-adaptive decision support tools for smallholder farmers. Risk management and insurance integration. One of the most powerful aspects of digital CSA is weather-indexed insurance. Uses satellite data to trigger payouts automatically, reduces the need for ground-based claim verification, encourages farmers to adopt CSA techniques confidently, other digital-based financial tools, agri-fintech platforms offering credit scoring, AI-enabled loan access for input purchases, SMS-based microinsurance programs, policy, capacity building, and global trends. Governments and global institutions are investing in policy reform, capacity building, and public-private partnerships, PPPs, to scale CSA and digital agriculture. Key enablers, national CSA action plans, e.g., Kenya, Ethiopia, regional platforms, e.g., CGIAR, AGRA, rural ICT infrastructure investments, farmer digital literacy campaigns, climate resilient value chain integration. The future of digital innovation. And digital technology are moving toward autonomous farming systems, real-time AI advisory, and precision climate response platforms. AGRIBUSINESS firms are increasingly investing in climate impact scoring, remote farm auditing, and green financing models to adoption.